Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the Humidifier right here, and basically what this is a desk fan that also works as a humidifier as well. So you basically add in water or ice cube inside, so that way it's actually used as like an air cooler. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and it's all nicely wrapped. So I'm actually take off the wrapper first. Alright, so when we take it off from the wrapper, you can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like on this side, and then here's what it looks like on this side right here. So for this product, they mentioned how they have it in white, green, and pink. And also another cool thing about this product is the fact that it does have a LED light built into the product as well, and they have around like 7 different colors based on what they mentioned. And there's also a bunch of other features that's on here as well, but I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So first thing you see inside, they do provide a cable which is USB to micro USB, so you use that to actually charge the product. And then right here we have the actual product, so let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, first thing you see inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and all the different features that's on here. But right here we have the mini desk fan, if you can see, definitely really small and super portable. Let me just take off the wrapper first. So once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they have a very cool design right here that's very simple. And the cool thing about this product right here in the front is the fact that this is actually adjustable. So if you just want to adjust the angle, all you need to do is push it. So you push it up that way, or you push it down this way. And you see the way how they designed the bottom part right here, it kind of looks like an alarm clock. So you definitely put it onto the flat surface or a table or something. If you turn it in the back, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. But you see in the back right here, they have the option for you guys to change like the different speed level and also the different mode on here as well. And then right here, they have the plug outlet for you guys to plug in a cable to charge the product. And if you guys look at this part right here in the front, that is basically where the mist will come out when you guys add the water inside. So that way it actually works as a humidifier as well. And then on top part right here, they do have the logo, but this is a slot where you guys want to put in the water and the ice cube inside. So I just want to turn it this way to open it and take it out. Just like that. That way you can actually pour like the liquid or your ice inside. And I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. But basically once you're done, you guys seal it back up. And then it's all set. And then here's another view of the bottom of the product, if you can see. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how it works and what actually works first. So I'm going to use the cable that they provide for me right here. Alright, so we got it plugged in right here. Let's plug the other side right here. Alright, so we got it plugged in. Let's turn it on. So the total is 3 different speeds on here. Low, medium, and high. So this one right here is going to be low. Here is medium. And then here is high. So when I actually feel the air coming out of the actual product, it doesn't feel like it's super strong, but it's strong enough for you guys to put it right next to your desk. So that is basically how you guys use the fan setting on here. If you guys want to use like the misting option or the humidifier option, you want to press the second button right here, which is the minus button, and you guys press it. There's a light that pops on. But in order for you guys to use this option, you need to put in ice or water inside right here. And if you guys want to use the LED option right here, the light actually lights up right here. But what you guys want to do is to press and hold this button right here and hold it down. And if you guys look really carefully right here, you guys can kind of see the light on there. It's not like super noticeable right now because it's kind of bright out. So I'm actually bringing over a darker setting to show you guys what it actually looks like right now. Alright, so we have the product in a darker setting. Let me actually turn it on. Alright, so when you guys turn on the light, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So if you can see, the light is actually automatically changing. So you don't have to do anything in terms of changing the light on here. It does it automatically for you guys. And if you guys want to turn on the humidifier and everything, you can definitely do that as well. So that is low. Here is medium. And here is high. If you guys want to turn off the light, you guys want to press and hold the minus button. And that turns it off. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the actual LED light. You can definitely see that she does work and works quite well. But now let me just test out the humidifier option right here to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. So I got this water bottle right here filled with water. Let me add it inside to the top part right here. So I'll open the top part right here. And then we just want to pour the water directly inside right here. So just like this. Alright, so once you guys add the water in, you want to close it back up. Make sure it's sealed. And in terms of the capacity of the water inside right here, how much can you guys add in here? The maximum on here is 200 milliliters. So as long as you guys don't add more than that, then you should be fine. But now let's test out the humidifier option to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I don't want to press the minus button in the back. So once we activate the humidifier option, you can definitely see the smoke coming out. It's not like super strong or anything, but it definitely does work. So if you guys want to use a fan option on top of this, you definitely can. So we turn on the fan. It's basically working as a fan and also as an air cooler as well. And in terms of the humidifier option, there's only one setting. It won't let you guys turn it high or low because it's whatever you guys turn on, that's what you guys get right here. So if you guys want the humidifier to be much more colder, you can definitely add ice cube inside right here. I really like the option how they provide you guys the USB option to actually recharge it. So that way you guys are not restricted to just using like a wall charge to recharge it. But you can definitely use like a power bank, your computer or something else to recharge it and activate it as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a portable and affordable mini desk fan that works as a humidifier and also has like a little mini LED light option as well that you can use at your desk, whether it be at home or in the office, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.